on bomb squad then. Hold the choke, hold the choke.
Can you mark
Kill that guy, kill
Imagine.
that guy, kill that guy, kill that guy, kill that guy. Kill the guy who got kidnapped. Unlucky for him.
Unlucky, got fools.
Okay. We hold here. They will die one by one though.
Yeah,
We
good.
hold here.
Fucking guilty, so happy.
We hold here, we hold here. We hold here.
Look.
Guilty, just keep on. Okay, okay.
Engage.
Okay, okay. Parte 1, parte 2, be ready to engage. Shallow only. On northwest and northeast. 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Okay, go back. Kill the guys in front and go back. Don't get countered. Go back immediately.
You Martlogs are coming from southwest side.
Hills in front. Southwest side. Tell me if they are...
Just a shit yun.
Okay. Hold. We hold. Wait. Okay, they're engaging. Party 1, be ready to counter. In north in 3, 2, 1. North. On me. Party 2, do you have engage? Party 2.
Engage.
Okay, party 2, be ready to engage. Be ready to cross. Party 2, be ready to cross. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2, cross. On the choke, and heels in front. Okay, party 1, be ready. Be ready to cross. Party 1 on the choke in 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Cross. We push down. Put cleanse the choke and full push. Cleanse the choke and full push. Party 2, do you have engage? On the east side, on the north side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the north side, on the north side. Kill them. Huge. Kill them. Defensive. Okay, party 1 on northwest side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Look for the crown. On me. Kill them. Brawl them now. Full push. Monkey push.
Here's a Mia, please.
Heals on me, please. Monkey push. Kill them. Good shit. They are in the north side. They are in front of the gate. Oh, is it Tyzone?
They give up.
Zone back. The zone. Any casualty? Party 1, party 2?
I am not sure
Oh
if
No, they die.
We just all zoned.
I died.
You died?
That was a tight choke, you know.
Yeah. But they don't have engages anymore. That's why it's cold push.
A lot of them are down northwest,
Northwest?
but there's a lot of mobs, yeah.
We have healers, no? Sisig, Makzaid,
Look at
Hanke,
Maui.
Wynate.
Maui tried.
Where are they?
Here, northwest here.
Oh, I see.
I'm gonna die.
Execute them one by one.
Jawir sudah mati?
pare kita buru para Jawir.
Kill them. Hills in front. Hills, and go back southeast.
There's a block
Go
coming.
back southeast. Go back southeast.
We still have to fight Port Sterling, okay? We still have to
Okay,
fight Port Sterling.
yeah.
Claymores masing, by the way.
Okay.
By the way, I lost Idom and Revenger. Revenger left the party already. Are
Okay.
you coming back, Revenger?
Regiran, come back. My fallen guys.
Can someone rest neck? Can someone rest neck?
Rest the guys who's down. Change your skill to rest. And
Hey,
rest
they're
the
in
guys
part
down.
outpost 2. I see a small blob.
We clear these mobs before we will get fucking knocked down.
I don't care with that small blob.
Oh my gosh, can I get a heal? No, fuck it.
Can please someone rest the people?
Rest the people. Fallens, rest the people. Fallens, rest the people. Fallens.
Wait, don't pressure them, Yamato. We're
Okay.
we're having troubles inside as well.
Can
Let's
we
get
kill
out.
the mobs? Kill the mobs.
Thank you.
DPS kill the mobs. We paint farm for
Team farm, let's go.
Kill the mobs, kill the mobs. Kill the mobs in front, kill the mobs in front.
I need help.
Thank you, dude.
Here, I got you.
Hiya.
Amat tayo. Second
I got down.
Nick is down again.
DPS, kill the mobs, DPS, kill the mobs.
Leash, Klawi.
Keep farming.
Leash, everyone leash. I think,
Wait,
me, I'm down, man.
Can someone waken up a child? Please.
Yeah, please.
Look at that. There's a person going red on the northeast. Here. Oh, FS northeast.
we need to leash. Come stop us. Leash, so they can they can move now.
They're not
Leash,
PvP tag anymore. It's fine. Just leash them
Yeah,
up.
just leash. Everyone
Go
just leash.
southwest. Everyone just go southwest. please.
Everyone just leash. If you are in the comms, just leash.
Tell
Come
them
here.
where to leash, mate.
Southwest.
Just go outside west. Southwest.
CC Gamer Cat, Regir, if you can.
No, Gamer Cat is banking loot.
No?
I see you in Flat River.